Welcome to MYSTORE.SHOPPIng. In this tutorial we will cover how you can order via My Courier. Just open our app or go to your Chrome browser and type in MYSTORE.SHOPPIng. To start, kindly click My Courier. In here you can view all your saved items. Saved items are those items you've previously ordered. To add new item, just tap the button below. Fill up the details of the item for purchase or delivery. For example, you wanted to buy Pilot Super Color Marker. For more detailed order, kindly describe your item in the description box. Lastly, the weight. When you're done, click the next button above. In here, you need to add the image of the item. Tap this icon to add. Crop image and click Done. Now, there are two buttons below. Save and Add to Cart. Tap Save if you want to add into the saved items for future delivery. Save and Add to Cart if you want to proceed to checkout and have your item delivered right away. Once your item is added to cart, press Continue. In here, distance tells how many kilometers from your pickup to delivery location. This one will be the transport fee amount. And this one shows the estimated time of arrival. To show calculation, kindly input the pickup location on where the driver will get or buy the item. Click Satellite for a detailed view. Drag this icon and pin it down to the exact location on where the driver will get the item. In this section, kindly input the receiver's information. Next is the delivery location on where you'd like the item to be delivered. Once you've set both pickup and delivery location, the details above will be shown. And as customer you have the option to choose a vehicle that suits your order. Now tap the Continue button below. In this area you can review the sender's information and receiver's information. For charge payment, you can choose either you'll pay the order or the person who will receive the item. After you review the details, click Place Order. Now, you can wait for the delivery driver to accept your order.